Alright guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at the dialog box settings for the plot, or should I say cut and plot feature. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. And now, just a quick reminder, there's a mini series on the cut and plot feature. Now we'll leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now, when it comes to the dialog box settings, we obviously first need to open our cut and plotter, which or cut and plot feature, which can be found on a standard toolbar next to the print icon. Shortcut for that is Control L. Now, this whole dialog box on top here, or shows up to here, this, as you can see, is actually part of the preview feature. So it's actually separate. So this whole box here is the dialog box settings. Now we have a few options here. So first of all, we have this little drop down menu. This basically allows you to choose the printer installed or the cutter and cut and plotter, should I say. And then if you click other, then you can obviously go select another machine either on another network or on the internet. Then after that, we've got the properties for it. Now this we'll have to cover in another video of itself. As you can see, there's quite a few settings. Now this, as you can see on top here, this is the default properties. So by default, what it would be set to for that cutter. Then next to that, we've got the actual, as you can see, it says active production manager or activate, and this menu over here, or this item, so you can just quickly navigate to it by clicking that item and it'll bring it up for you. And this is obviously where all your job status and things like that will be in, so you can see what's happening in the bottom. Also, as you can see some basic computer specs and so forth, so you know how much space you've got left, and yeah, things like that. Then under that, we've got the tabs, which is actually still part of this setting, even though these tabs are relevant to each individual, or should I say the settings for each tab. The tabs are still located within the dialog box. Or yeah. Then on the right here, we've got the actual job. So what's currently happening with its status. So it's similar to the actual product manager, but not. This is more printer related, you can say, for the job and the status, which you can find over here. Otherwise, that is it on the dialog box settings. If we had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find what you're looking for, just go here, request the training video, then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.